In this video, we'll show you how to configure your account in Outlook with the Bridge app. We recommend opening Outlook on one side of your screen and the Bridge app on the other side. And if you get stuck at any step along the way, you can follow our written instructions below this video. First, you'll need to log into the Bridge app using your ProtonMail credentials. Click on the Add Account button, enter your username and password, and click Next. Your account will be displayed in the Bridge app. Now you'll start configuring it with Outlook. Click on your account username in the Bridge app to expand the option list and select Mailbox Configuration. A new pop-up window will be shown from Bridge where the IMAP SMTP information is displayed. In just a bit, you'll need to enter this information in the email client while setting up your account. Now, open Outlook and from the menu bar select Tools and click on Accounts. In the new pop-up window, click on Add Email Account. Enter your email address and click Continue. While it tries to find the account, select Choose the Provider and then select IMAP POP. You'll need to enter the IMAP SMTP information provided in the Bridge app in these fields. Then uncheck both Use SSL to Connect fields. Now copy the password, which is generated from the Bridge app, and paste it in the password field. For incoming server, enter 127.0.0.1 and 1143 for the port number. For outgoing server, enter 127.0.0.1 and 1025 for the port number. Make sure that the port numbers from the Bridge app are entered exactly the same as those in Outlook. You can now click on Add Account and then Done. Your messages will now start loading in Outlook. Next, let's configure some additional settings from Outlook so that we make sure your account works properly. Navigate to Tools, Accounts, Advanced, and then select Folders. Check the Don't Store a Copy of Sent Messages option. Don't worry, even though you've selected this option, all successfully sent messages will still be saved in your Sent folder. And when you're done, click OK. Congratulations, your ProtonMail account is now ready to use in Outlook.